When you produce your movie, you beg people not to pirate it. When you start up your business, you pray for success. But you are on social media promoting people, to pirate other people's businesses. But you don't want people to pirate your own movie. Guys, it's high time for me to open a Telegram. And I want you guys to open a Telegram. December is around the corner. They are bringing their movie. We will pirate their movie massively, heartlessly, the way they are pirating my business. Remember, when we open our Telegram, it is a sin and a taboo to pirate movies of those that never involved in fracas. It is a sin before God and before man to pirate those that never ever involved in fracas to bring other people's businesses down. It is strictly for any artist, yala onkori o se film o se comedian that involved in fracas. You know what they call fracas? Fracas is to bring people's businesses down. Fracas is to buy people. Fracas is to destroy glorious children. That is what they do for a living. And you guys, you've done it for so many people. A lot of people are down because of you guys. And we are coming for you. It's going to be ogbono for ogbono. Atari for atari, ijosi fun ijosi. Obe orunla fun obe orunla. And not just those artists alone. Anybody te ba ri tó ń ṣe happy birthday shout out fún gbogbo àwọn èmi làwọn blackmailers yẹn, àwọn Esabod gbogbo wọn. When they produce their movies, àbí tán bá kọrin, we pirate it massively. The way Esabod and all of them, Farida Monies, àbí kí náà pè wèrè yẹn, Ashiata, the way Ashiata pirate people's businesses, we go for any artist we identify with them. You see, when you start business from 1,000 naira to 1 million, you will know what it takes to do business in this country. Because you are an artist, Abi, people should not pirate your own movie, but you can pirate other people's businesses. Hey, Nishiru, I promise you, this December, massively ni ni riru piracy yẹn. Guys, be prepared. Yàtọ̀ sí Telegram, tán bá ti release movie, ẹ gbé sí WhatsApp, ẹ gbé sí anything, ẹ gbé sí WhatsApp, ẹ rí share lórí Facebook. Any artist ẹ bá ti rí tó ń bá wọn ṣe fracas níbi tí wọ́n ti mú business èèyàn wálẹ̀, ṣé bí kò sí nǹkan tó bàjẹ́ nù kẹ́ pirate business tèmi, ẹ rí ìbànújẹ́ tó máa kọlù yín tèmi bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú yín. If anybody feature them, pirate the movie. Pirate the movie. You guys should come and start business and see how it's very hard to survive in business in Nigeria. Okay, unti mo ma ṣe fún yín. Àti kò jẹ́ bolo ṣàmìlọ kò sí baba ńlá kò baba yálà ya ìkọ̀kan ní tí ó bọ̀. Kò yé yín. Èmi bí mo ṣe wà yìí, àdá ti dọ́wọ́ mi. Mo máa béèrè ikú tó pa yálà ya gbogbo yín. Má ṣe síá fún yín. Ẹ̀yin ò lè tajà tí yín láì má bà tèèyàn jẹ́. Lizzy Anjorin ní soft spot fún yín, àbí láti wá attack àwọn ọmọ mi. Kẹ́yìn lè jẹun, ilé àgbé yín mi tọmọtọmọ yín. Gbogbo ìṣẹ̀dá tó ń gbèjà Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àti tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ń gbèjà, gbogbo yín lè máa sunkún ọmọ. Ebi á pa yín, ẹ wà kísà, ẹ jà kísà, ẹ fà kísà bora. Àwọn aláàánú yín ò ní rí àánú gbà débi pé àánú máa kàn yín. Guys, be prepared. Ẹ bá èmi náà open multiple one. We pirate their movies. Tabari tó ń kọrin náà, tó ń bá wọn lọ bú èèyàn tí ó ṣẹ́. One thing is this, government will not come to help us. Government have their own jobs. We have our own jobs too. Our job is to sanitize the society, even when the government are not ready to help us. You don't understand? You can do your business without destroying other people. You can seek for fund without destroying other people. But this time around, Emma Badu. Ẹ lọ bá mi wo ye fíìmù tó fẹ́ release ní December. Gbogbo films tó bá feature wọn, we pirate it. So far they are on social media to pirate my own business, and they are fully involved. But remember once again, those that never involved in piracy never ever pirate their movie. Ẹjọ́ la bógun ro ká tó sá, oníkálùkù ló ní kádàrá títí. Ẹni tí ò bá ti involved nínú fracas, tí ò bá business èèyàn jẹ́, tí ò bá orúkọ èèyàn jẹ́, tí ò bá ayé èèyàn jẹ́, ẹ má ever pirate movie wọn. Mo bẹ̀ yín ni, mo fi gbogbo ohun tó jáde lára yín, mo fi bẹ̀ yín. Gbogbo ohun tẹ́ fẹ́ jẹ́ láyé yín, mo fi bẹ̀ yín. Ẹ má fi Telegram àbí gbogbo instrument tá fẹ́ fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ piracy nsìn, ẹ má fi report to anybody tí ò bá involve nínú fracas. But ṣé rí àwọn tó wà fully involved nínú iṣẹ́ fracas, àwọn tó máa ń comment kiri.
Tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ mà ti gbọ́ àwọn èrè yìí tí arábìnrin yìí Lizzy Anjorin tí ó sọ nínú fídíò yìí. Ẹ ti gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ wípé òun yóò ṣe fún àwọn tó fẹ́ rìlíìsì fíìmù wọn sí sinimá ní December yìí. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, arábìnrin yìí mà ti bínú tán nítorí níṣe ló ń fi gbogbo ara ló fi ń já ìjà yìí. Ó mà wá le o.
Níbi tí wọ́n ti ń ṣe ọdún èpè